Have you ever scrolled through social media for hours only to realize you can't remember a single thing you just saw? Or maybe you felt your focus slipping away, like your brain is stuck in a fog? What if I told you this isn't just burnout or stress? It's something called brain rot, and it's slowly taking control of your mind. In this video, we'll break down what brain rot is, why it's happening, and most importantly, how you can fight back. Brain rot is like mental clutter. Imagine your brain as a computer, and every time you scroll through TikTok, binge Netflix, or jump from one notification to another, you're opening 100 tabs at once. Over time, your brain gets overloaded, and it becomes harder to focus, think clearly, or even remember simple things. It's not just about feeling tired, it's about your brain losing its ability to function at its best. Here's the science behind it. Every time you get a like, a comment, or a new episode autoplays, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. But here's the catch. The more dopamine hits you get, the more your brain craves them. Studies show that excessive screen time can actually rewire your brain, making it harder to focus on tasks that don't give you that instant reward. It's like your brain is stuck in a loop, constantly chasing the next hit of stimulation. Think about this. You sit down to work, but within minutes, you're checking your phone. You tell yourself it's just for a second, but an hour later, you're still scrolling. This isn't just a lack of willpower, it's by design. Apps like Instagram and YouTube use algorithms that are literally designed to keep you hooked. They exploit your brain's natural tendencies, making it harder and harder to break free. Over time, this constant distraction erodes your ability to focus, make decisions, and even enjoy moments of stillness. So how do you fight back? First, try a digital detox. Set specific times during the day when you're completely offline. No phones, no laptops, just you and your thoughts. Second, practice mindfulness. Even just 5 minutes of meditation a day can help reset your brain and improve focus. And finally, set boundaries with technology. Turn off notifications, use apps that limit screen time, and create a no-phone zone in your bedroom. Small changes like these can help you regain control over your brain. Brain rot isn't just about feeling distracted. It's about losing control of your mind in a world that's constantly fighting for your attention. But the good news is, you have the power to take that control back. Start small, be consistent, and remember, your brain is your most valuable asset. Don't let the noise of the world drown out your potential. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more videos coming your way to help you take control of your mind and your life. Let me know in the comments. Have you noticed signs of brain rot in your own life? I'd love to hear your thoughts.